Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just doing this Walmart fall try on haul. I went to Walmart this weekend and I bought a bunch of different outfits for you guys to actually see. This is actually one of my outfits that you'll see during the haul. And I hope you enjoyed. I had a really good time. My mom, Jonathan, and I, we went, and I have like little vlog clips that I can put into this video as well, so you can see when I was actually in Walmart. There were some things that were super cute. I know there was like a sweater dress that I wanted to get, but unfortunately I'm very short, like I'm only 5 feet, so it came so long on me, it just didn't look right. But I really hope you guys enjoy this haul. It's gonna be me more talking through because I tried to do like me recording it while I'm trying outfits on and it just didn't work. That's just not my style right now, so I'm not gonna do it like that. But I bought a few pieces. I hope you like them. They're super cute and they were very affordable. So I will link all the information in the description box down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye. I just wanna have a good time. Turn around, hit the side. Are you gonna take a video? All right, let's get out the car. I got this is copyright anyway if I do it. So we are at Walmart and we're probably gonna pick up some clothes and some stuff for decorating. We got baby's day out. My mom's struggling with the stroller.
Look, wait, my leg. That's why I couldn't open it, because my leg was stuck there.
All right, so we're out. Mommy's day out. Just joking. We are at Walmart and we are about to go and
Shop.
yeah, pretty much. That's my mom, everybody. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
She is she's chilling out today because she never comes out with me, so this is actually kind of nice.
Thank you to see this. I hope you're walking for something, because if you walk anything.
I want to get mums, but I feel like I can't.
I started to buy you mums at Home Depot today.
You should have got me some. They're $11 at Walmart. Guys, my porch is not big enough for me to get mums, but they're $5
yes, they
now.
Are.
They're only $5.
I know.
Do you think we should get some mums?
Yeah.
But wait, what about bees?
That's the only thing you gotta worry
No,
about.
we don't have time. We have a huge hive in our yard. We're not doing no bee
thing. They would be
thing.
attracted to them.
Yeah, we're not doing that.
Okay. All right.
Handsome. He's not having it right now. He just woke up from a nap. He only took 30 minutes. And this hairdo, this is not what I did. This is, of course, his grandma.
His grandma, because grandma needs his hair.
You like Elmo? Yeah? Oh. Handsome. Which one do you think, Mom?
Well, I think he likes Elmo.
You want Elmo? Lots of leopard. Don't worry, guys. I'm not wearing this together. Plus, they're two different colors. Did I not record that this whole time?
I like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this.
I really like that. I like
It's so cute and comfortable.
Yeah.
Not bad. I'm gonna try this on for real, like in front of a mirror that I can see. So, does anybody know where the mirrors are in Walmart? Because I sure don't. thank you guys so much for watching, and this actually concludes my try on haul. I hope you guys liked everything. I ended up spending, I don't even know how much I spent because I bought Jonathan some toys and everything, so I spent quite a bit of money at Walmart, but I had a really good time, and these are clothes that I'm actually planning on wearing, so you will see them at some point, either like in the vlog or another video, or like I said, this one I'm definitely probably going to wear, depending on the weather, to the pumpkin patch. So yeah, there's always that. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.